Hi, you wanted to know more about the module Smart Vehicles. Within this module, we'll be looking at smart vehicles in a broader scale. We will not be looking at just cars, buses and trucks. We will also look at different kinds of modality and how they are applied. So when we talk about smart vehicles, we will look at the technology that is available. First, we will look at the available sensors. What do they do? What do they mean? And how do they interact with the surrounding traffic? And how do we integrate the functionality that flows from them? So how do we make this new technology work on smart vehicles, allowing them to be smart? Second, we will also be looking at how that works in an ecosystem. How are these new technologies being used? Does everybody understand what it means to use an adaptive cruise control? How far can it see? When does it work and when does it not? And how do I know if it doesn't? So we'll also be looking at the social aspects involved with this new technology in getting it done. With looking at just cars, we are limited. When looking at new mobility and smart vehicles, we must look broader than that. So we'll also look at kick bikes, at sharing solutions, at apps and how to aggregate the data to connect the dots and allowing for real smart mobility. Looking at that data, we can not just assume we can gather all the data that is available. We also have to take into account that there is an element of privacy and security. Looking at all those elements, it makes it very broad. And this is exactly what's happening in our current field of mobility. It's not just technology, it's also a bit of psychology, behavior analysis, and pieces of information that come from just outside our discipline, which makes it a bit harder to do. But this course and this track will allow you to speak those languages in different forms. You will understand the traffic manager, you will understand the traffic psychologist, and you will be able to bring them together on a table and to get things done. You will act as one of the pieces that brings all things together. When you do this course in combination with smart infrastructure, you are well suited to enter the market for intelligent mobility as such. So I hope to welcome you in my class and I look forward to shaping the future with you. Thanks.